What's the meaning of cottager? Cottager. Cottager.
Cottager. Cottager. A cottager is someone who lives in a cottage, typically a small, rural dwelling. The term originally referred to someone who owned or rented a small plot of land and lived off it, often engaging in subsistence farming or other forms of manual labor. Today, the term is more commonly used to refer to someone who lives in a rural area but may not necessarily engage in agricultural work. Cottagers are often associated with a simpler, more rustic way of life that emphasizes close ties to nature and a sense of community spirit.